So today we are going to make a homemade bird formula for baby budgies and cockatiel and other birds also suitable to eat this. Okay, we have a toast breed. Okay, this is toast breed, or we call it roti bakar. Okay, so I have toast this bread for almost 10 minutes. Okay, and it's become really crunchy. Okay, so after that we will punch in this, we call this lasong batu. Okay, in Malaysia we call this lasong batu. Okay, alright, so this the result after we punch with this. Okay, it's really fluffy. You can store this for almost six months. Okay, when you want to use, you just take it in a small amount and use a hot water, boiled water, and stir it nicely. And after that you can mix it with another ingredient like rice, another millet like quinoa, anything you want to add it. Okay, so we will punch this one. Okay, right, let's go. Punch. I really used to use this lasong batu. You can use a blender as well, but for me this lasong batu is really works, and the result is really fluffy as compared to the blender. If you're using blender, the end result is really, I really hate it because it's not really nice. It's kind of it's not really fluffy. The flour is quite harsh. Just punch it around 2 minutes and then it's done. Okay, right. Okay, so we are going to mix the water. Okay, we have a hot water here. It's become really thick. Okay, you can add more water. Okay, my baby bird is still around below 1 month, around 3 weeks, so I will make it as a little bit loose. Okay, and I will add another ingredient. I will add rice together with this bread. Okay, so when you add another ingredient, anything other ingredient, you have to blend it nicely. Okay, I will use this hand blender to stir this ingredient. Okay, alright. Okay, let's blend it. And it's done. See, you can make a little bit thicker, and after that you can lose it by a hot boiled water, according to your cheeks age. Okay, this the right thickness for my budgies baby. Okay, it's really simple, easy, and take just a few minutes to prepare this. Okay, you can store in this fridge, and when whenever you want it, you can take it out and reheat. Okay, right? In the fridge, it can last for about 1 week or another 2 weeks. Okay, right? 1 week or 1 week, more than 1 week. Okay, not more than 2 weeks. Okay, right? Look, it's really love it. Enjoy it. Okay, so you can try this at home. Okay, it's really simple and healthy for your baby chicks. Okay, right. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.